I've been doing some baking lately and I thought, why not bake with all of you as well? So today we're going to do cupcakes. They're empty right now, but cake batter is going to go into them very, very soon. Everybody say hi to Sam. Sam, say hi to everybody.
Hello.
Sam lives around the corner, so she very kindly agreed to come and shoot this little video for me. My mom bakes a lot ever since she was a kid, so she gave me these really cool cups and spoons. So first, we're going to measure out the dry ingredients. First is the flour. So as you guys know, since I'm a musician, music is a big part of my life. And ellarum playlist vechirupangalla, mood for different moods. So my playlist for baking is jazz. That's what we're listening to right now. Anybody have any questions already or no? I don't know.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Tamil la pesunga ma'am.
Seri Tamil la pesrom. Okay. நான் கொஞ்சம் ஸ்லோ சாரி ஏன்னா நான் இப்போதான் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிருக்கேன் இந்த வேலை. Don't spill. So the recipe calls for 1 1/3 cups of flour.
They're asking what powder is it?
This is Naga wheat flour. The flour is making me choke. So, the reason I've never done an Insta live with baking before is because, as you can see, I'm very messy and I get freaked. I start yelling a lot. And I'm like, no! I'm a disaster queen in the kitchen. So, we'll put a teaspoon of baking powder. It's 1 1/4 teaspoon, so we put the quarter as well. And if people want the recipe, I can post the recipe later. Not a big deal. Then we have 1 cup of sugar. What movies have you guys been watching lately? Anything interesting? Any movie recommendations for me, you guys? Sam, what movies have you seen lately?
The last movie I saw was what was it? I'm actually watching a very interesting series.
Called?
It's the new version of Narcos. It's the Queen of South.
Oh my god. I started watching Peaky Blinders.
Oh, that's also very interesting.
Amazing.
Yeah.
But I'm so slow. And every time someone is going to take a gun out, I run out of the room.
Or somebody suggesting please watch Tappad.
Tappad. Tapsi's film.
Yeah.
Tapsi has a very interesting choice of films. Thank you for the recommendation, guys. Oh, I watched a nice film yesterday. It's called A Miracle in Cell Number 7. It was recommended to me by my dear buddy Leon James. You guys know Leon James? He's a really amazing musician, keyboardist, artist generally. So please watch this movie. It's amazing. It's a really beautiful story.
Yeah.
About well, I don't want to ruin it, but a guy who's wrongly accused, and he's a mentally challenged guy who's wrongly accused of a murder, and his experience in the jail, and it's very sweet. I really liked it. Just put maybe another tablespoon of sugar because brown is not so sweet.
Can you say something about Master?
Master பத்தி என்ன சொல்லலாம்? Well, you guys, until we theaterல எப்போ தரக்க போறாங்கன்னு சொன்னதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் we'll know what's happening with Master. அது வரைக்கும் யாருக்கும் எதுவும் தெரியல. That's why we are all baking and chilling for now. But I think things will open up soon. Don't you think so, Sam?
Yeah.
So Sam is in the salon business. Salon தந்தா தியேட்டரும் ஒருவேளை தந்துருவாங்க. எங்களுக்கு தெரியாது. Fingers crossed. Hoping for the best. So these are our dry ingredients. There's the flour, sugar, baking powder. We'll put a pinch of baking soda just so that it rises well. Now comes the wet ingredients. Sam, you wanna sit down?
I'm okay. Annayum Rasulum last ayappo pathinga.
Annayum Rasulum. That is my most favorite film. ஒரு சின்ன அழகான படம் அது. It's beautiful. Fresh cream. Yeah. I will sing very soon, but not right now. Right now, I'm doing my. So, எனக்கு வந்து I mix yogurt and cream together to get a sour cream texture. It's a little bit of a cheat, but sour cream is not that easy to find, and my fridge doesn't work, so you know everything is going bad. So that's half a cup of sour cream if you have it, otherwise just mix fresh cream and yogurt. Now the recipe also calls for half a cup of butter, but we don't want to put half a cup of butter. So again, we are going to cheat and halve that. So, oh god, need to get a knife. What do you think, Sam? Should we put the butter or should we cheat and put some cream instead?
I think we should put the cream.
Well, I've already put so I've learned that much to do. I may add another egg in here just for fun. You can smell the vanilla.
Would you like to answer this question, Andy? Where is your home?
I'm sitting in my home. Come on, guys. இதுதான் என் வீடு பார்த்தா தெரியலையா?
I think they're intending to ask your address.
No, sorry. அவ்வளோ privacy ஆகுது எனக்கு. But yeah, let's put the egg. So what about the new music you guys have been listening to? Any recommendations? Last night I heard Lady Gaga's new song. I really liked it. I think it's gonna happen now. Okay, so you wanna see? Okay, so can you see?
Mm-hmm.
We're pouring the batter in. So I'm very messy,
But I think we can all see.
yeah, I'm very messy, but I'm also I put my hands in there, like right now. I'm just gonna do everything with my fingers, which are very clean. I just washed my hands, so don't worry. And I like to taste everything, so I'll be tasting the cake batter very soon. First we will stir. Oh, my hair.
Bajji podringla, ma'am.
உங்களுக்கு தான் பஜ்ஜி போடுறேன் இருங்க. கேக் பண்றோம், கேக். And look, we're going to put Nutella in the cupcakes. Well, I think the moment of truth has come. So I've got no Sunday blues. That is some thick batter, no?
Looks yummy.
See, the mess is beginning now. No, stay. Please don't judge me, guys. I'll make funny noises now.
Halloween birthday.
What does that mean?
What's your opinion about love at first sight?
That exists maybe with girls and chocolate, but I don't think any. Where did I last fall in love? Oh, I fell in love with the Samsung showroom. Love at first sight does exist. I fell in love with the most beautiful fridge ever. So beautiful. It's called the Space something. Not bad. Okay. Now, time for the Nutella. So what we're going to do is take a spoon of Nutella, dump it, and then we'll swirl it in later. But for now, we'll just dump. So some cupcakes will get more Nutella than others. It's life, you know. Life is unfair. Cupcakes is unfair. Everything is unfair in general. That's just the way it is. Some people get more Nutella, some people get less. That's how life is. But I'm going to try to be fair with my Nutella.
Tattvam 101 by Andrea Jeremiah.
Adundan. No, I mean, well, you know, we all try to be cheerful, but lots of sad things happen this lockdown, especially with migrant workers. And yeah, I really hope as a society, Nangelaru said that we are able to correct this broad disparity between them and us somehow. It's important. There you go. Going to a shop. It's going to me, my friends and family. So I don't think they mind my hands going in there. But for a professional baker, I guess this is a no.
Are you a left-hander, madam?
Yes, I am a left-hander. Thank you for noticing. My teacher would beat me on the hands and say, write with your right hand. So Padesia, I started just writing with my right hand, but like all this stuff I do with my left. And it's done. Okay. And okay, well, Sam, you want to do this part? You want to put the
Nutella? Chocolate chips. Yeah, why not?
Okay, come on, you do it. Ooh. Go on.
On the cupcakes?
No. Just there. Be generous. La 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 la. Yes. You want to put some on the cupcake as well?
Yeah.
Double dhamaka. Okay, not too many, but yeah.
This
fine.
one might get only that much.
Yeah, I think that's a bit of a disaster.
It's a lot of Nutella.
Yeah, we went wrong with that one. That's too much of Nutella.
It's okay.
I know.
Extra sugar.
Extra
Don't
sugar.
kill anybody.
So now, we need them right now. The oven is hot. We shall be careful. It's not so hot right now. It's even hot to touch. Okay, goes in there. Babies in our house. Okay, first things first. Cake is ready or not? We test it with a toothpick. Okay, let's sing Google and test the cake. Google, pani pate no lagatilla. Even pola voru. Smell that smell.
Oh.
Even pola voru kirkanu porandadilla. Yahoo yahatilum innoruthan kidakkavilla. Naan dediketa shopping keta. Ure vikkiran. Meet my boyfriend. Well, they're done technically, but I'm just gonna let this one rest in the oven a bit. Okay, guys, those are the lovely cupcakes that we have made today. Oh no, yeah. Thank you all for being a part of the baking experience. Look at this one. Wow. So while we cool the cupcakes and eat them, Ninga ellaru or jolly Sunday evening. Have a great evening, guys. Thank you for joining me on my little cupcake expedition. Bye.